Okay, this is going to be an unboxing of a computer kit I just got. It's called the Deluxe Banana Pro Kit from RaspberryPiCafe. I have a couple of Raspberry Pis that I'm running various applications on, but I decided to get another manufacturer's single board computer called the Banana Pro. And it's very similar to the Raspberry Pi, but with one major difference. And let me go ahead and start taking some of this stuff apart. Okay, out of the kit we get a, let me open this up. Okay, we get a 2 amp power supply, pretty much the same as you find with most Raspberry Pi kits. It has the micro USB port at the end here. Okay, let's set that aside. It also came with a SATA connector that allows you to connect a SATA hard disk drive externally. And this is the biggest difference with the Banana Pi or Banana Pro, is that it has built on the board a SATA port, so you can add an external storage to it much easier than the Raspberry Pi. Okay, let's open up the next thing. Let's open up the actual Raspberry Pi is this. It comes in the box here, and as you can see we have some instruction here. We actually have an antenna that came with it. This is actually this has built-in Wi-Fi in the unit, and this is the actual board. Let's see, it's pretty well in there. Well, I won't open that up right now, but it's again it's a board about the same form factor as the Raspberry Pi. Oh, let me get it out here. Okay. And it looks like it's sealed in here. It's going to require a little tearing. Let me see if I can tear this. Probably going to need scissors. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is the board, and it has, if you look at this, it has an Ethernet connection. It has 2 USB ports here. The Raspberry Pi, however, has 4. It has the HDMI port, and more importantly, right here is a SATA port. And the other thing that's kind of important is right here. This is a 5-volt power output that you can use to drive a 2.5-inch hard disk drive from the power supply, the single power supply that's going to power the board. It will also provide enough power for the 2.5-inch hard drive, and that's the same type as you find in a laptop. It's, it requires only 5 volts, where the 3.5-inch drive you find in most desktops actually requires 12 volts, and so it can't be powered off of the typical supply for the Raspberry Pi. Okay, we'll set that board aside, and let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we have this. This is kind of neat. This is actually a dual case for the Banana Pi. It's right here. And let's see if we can get this one open. We're going to need scissors here. Okay. Okay, and so this includes the a case that can be put together. We'll be able to hold not only the board but also a hard disk about the size of notebook. So it's a sort of a kit you have to put together for the as the case, but it'll provide a dual layer space for both the board and the drive. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got here. This is, let me see how we can open this. Well, we're going to just have to cut this through here, I think. All right. Okay, this is the a micro SD card that comes with it. Also a nice little feature of this kit. I should mention that this kit cost about $80 with tax. And let me take a close look at this. Okay, this is an 8 gigabyte USB card, and it'll be more than enough for the operating system. And what the project's going to include is I'm going to actually move the a bootable image of the software over to the hard drive, and then set up this SD card so it'll boot from the hard drive. And in a subsequent video, I'll show you that, how to do that. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, this one is a header board that comes with it for special projects, and we'll show you that. Okay, this is a cable that allows you to put in another a USB port if you want. Probably will not be using this for the project that I'll be working on, but it's a USB console cable. And we also have this. This is, again, this is a header for breaking out the TTL output from the board to allow you to hook up some special other boards or other special projects. Okay, so that is the RaspberryPiCafe Deluxe Banana Pro kit, and cost about $80 with tax on Amazon. And I'm going to be using this in a subsequent video to show you some things that you can build out of this computer. Okay, thanks for watching.